Okay, so far I've got makeup ready. This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. I've got this little stone bracelet. I think I might throw my Louis bracelet over it. I got these earrings. Hopefully these are a little vibe. I packed a little bag to go. My duffel. Thank you so much to the brand that gave this to me. They're called Totes Carry. W Totes Carry so much. I love my new duffel. It's perfect, especially if I'm trying to travel real quick. Pack a quick night bag. And on top of the fact that it's leather, love it. Anyways, I'm gonna do this hair and then we're gonna get ready to head out. So excited. To the B&B that we got for our friends and family to come stay with us if they would like to. Everyone's coming over. We're gonna just kick it, have a nice time. People are gonna drink, have a great moment, whatever. But I want to show you guys the B&B because of course everyone's gonna be curious. Oh my God, where are you guys staying? What does it look like? We didn't decorate or anything super big or anything. Like we just got a big house for people to come kick it. We celebrate together. We just enjoy life, enjoy our company, and that's the whole purpose. We didn't get any decorations. We didn't do anything crazy. We're gonna save all that for the wedding. At the end of the day, we could have did something bigger, but Shannon and I come from humble beginnings. We're very chill. Like we don't really need to do too much. People don't need to do too much for us to feel special or for us to feel loved. So he's doing a little streaming house tour right now. Let me give you guys the real house tour that y'all are gonna keep on here forever. And it's so crazy to think, I'm sorry to interrupt. It's so crazy to think that one day our kids are gonna see this. How cutesy. This is your mama when she was young and fine. Wink, wink, wink. Still goofy, still silly. I hope I'm still the same when I'm your parent, when I'm your mom. Let me give you guys the actual house tour now. And of course I'm gonna try and talk louder than this copyright because this is gonna be like the front living room kick it area. We might definitely do a movie night tonight, who knows. Then we have like, this is the door, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the little fit, simple, cute. And let's go and do the downstairs first. This is the dining area. I feel like I'm giving a house tour of a house that's not my house, but this is so cute. I love this little like neuron proton thing they got going on. They got little snackies. The kitchen is so pretty. Let me show you guys from this way. This is the kitchen. So pretty. Wow. This would be so nice if this was our place. Wow, a black countertop. That's nice. And then if we turn this way, they got a little photo op. I don't really play this game, but I don't know what it's called. It looks cool though. I think the ball's in here. Oh no, the ball's right here. Cutesy. And the little kick it area, we'll probably put some more vibes, music over here. We come to the back. We got a jacuzzi, the pool. We should low-key start getting the grill ready here soon so we can start. Oh, close that up. Let's make our way around. Let's see. What's in here? Is this a pantry? Oh, cute. All the electronical things that we could use. Let me see. Coat closets. Love it. Thank you. A little egg chair. Potential rooms. Powder room. Okay, love that. Powder room. Nice. The lights here. Oh. Nice, a little nighttime light moment. Cute, love it. Love it for whoever. Is this a room or is this a garage? This is a bedroom for someone. Love it, love it. I'm guessing this is their closet. Oh no, direct access to the restroom. Another bed. Oh. Washer and dryer. washer and dryer. All right, let's make our way upstairs. This is the whole downstairs. It's a room downstairs, cute. Let's make our way upstairs. Ooh, let's go this way first. Oh, Anthony, you claimed your room?
Huh?
You claimed your room?
Yeah.
Here's another room with bunkies. Bunkie beds. Another restroom. Nice. What's over here? Excuse me, can I slide by?
Well,
Oh, we've got a pool table. We've got a pool table. This is nice. This is nice. A little bar area. I won't be there, but I'll probably be here. Love it. And then, of course, let's go to the master bedroom. Oh, master bedroom. For whatever reason, they also put beds in here. They're pretty spacious beds, but they have beds in here too. I don't know why, but there's beds in here also. And no, we will not be doing nothing inappropriate here because our friends are gonna be here. I don't know how y'all get down, but we're a little bit more chiller than that. Oh, let me show you guys over here too. So here we have a loo. We have a loo, a private loo. Then here we have bathtub, combined shower, his and hers, love it. And that's basically the house tour. There's also like an outside kick it area, like right here is a whole long balcony, but yeah. Now we just wait for everyone to get here. Let's see who all showed up. Starting in this room, we have my brother. Down here we also have Aries and Jaden.
I'm using the chat. I'm using the chat.
No, you guys are streaming. You guys have been streaming too long. This is YouTube.
Oh shit.
oh,
Hey YouTube. Hey guys.
Comments. Over here in the kitchen we have the bestest. The bestest, yeah.
The chef. You got the chef, the supportive friend, and the best mom.
The best mom. And we got my other brother. Oh yeah, here, it's in here. We've got my fiance right here. Fiance. And then here we have the other Mark. Wait, which one? Who was born first?
I'm older.
Oh, so he's the other Mark.
He's the other Mark, yeah.
The OG
Yeah,
and
the
the
original
other.
Mark. The original Mark. You know
Hey,
what
how's
I
it
mean?
feel to be in the Suns?
It feels great. You know, my whole life I wanted to be on a basketball team professionally, but especially the Suns. So you know what I mean?
You're really living the dream
Now
now.
I'm gonna bring us a ring. You know.
Finally, honestly, we've been eating it for like ever.
How's it feel to be a wife?
I'm not a wife yet. I'm engaged. A wife to be.
Fiance.
I mean, I've basically already been.
Yeah.
So it feels
That's
like
official.
it feels a lot more official. Yeah. It makes me feel like I need to start cooking. That's what it feels like. Before I was only doing girlfriend surface level things. Now I can start digging into the wifey stuff. And then back here on the grill we have my dad, my fiance, and Elijah.
Can you
Yeah.
do me a favor?
Yeah.
In the car, in the glove compartment, is my knife. Can you go grab it?
Yeah.
Back up a little bit.
oh yeah.
Is it recording?
This was just so meant to be when I see this.
Oh my gosh, cool. I love you. Thank you.
I'll say if you want to
This box?
separate something,
You really never know to pay attention to detail. Detail is your thing.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, of course.
Oh, you're so detailed.
you
have to
know.
know.
The note's a long read, darling.
It's a long read.
Misses?
Some things you're missing.
Yes.
Yes, it's a read.
And I'll cry my own.
Oh my goodness.
I will cry my own.
Yeah, it's a Valentine card. I had to separate it into two pieces.
Oh my goodness!
Stop.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute.
I love it! I love it!
It's a fat ass ring. That's a fat ass ring. That's so smart.
I do.
Yeah.
Put it on my Oh my God, smell this.
I'm like, why the fuck I said taste test? Bitch.
Perfume. That is the most
Damn, step up your game, bro. Step up your game.
No, absolutely. Oh my God, I didn't put it on now. It smells amazing. It really does. I'm so excited.
Smell.
Oh my God,
smell it, y'all.
So as you're going throughout this journey,
Is that like fruity smell?
smell.
Fruity smell.
I love this.
I got
love
this for leading up to the moments to say I do, so that you can have like a memory, a smell. You know how smells have
Memories, yes. That will be the
So one
memory.
day down the line, you smell this like, oh my God.
Wedding.
No, I love you. I love it so much.
There's a little guy on the side too for, obviously, you don't want to take that one everywhere with
Ooh.
you.
Hold on now, girl.
I really wanted to do something
That's so
like
cute.
a bit more, but I just
No, that was so thoughtful.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
No, you couldn't never do less. This is beautiful. I love it so much.
Thank you, man. I just like joked around and we were like, oh my.
Jeez, man.
It's this guy.
Look at you, right, nigga.
Why you
done
looking
pushed
at
that
me?
bitch, your heavy-handed ass.
We heard a loud noise outside and it sounded like a tin can falling to the floor like really hard.
I swear no hot dogs were dropped in the making.
Around. We were just playing around.
And this is what it's come down to during game night.
Somebody took my knife though. Where's my knife?
I don't know. Oh, it's right here, babe. Right there.
Oh, right here.
Fuck me. Fuck.
You just lost your queen. You're sick.
Last time I went there, I got scared and I ordered the sliders instead.
Where?
Is this your announcement?
No, I just had some cut water. I'd be crazy. Crazy.
Shoot.
There. Okay, you guys, it is officially like damn near 4 a.m. A lot of people left. Ace stayed. Anthony's here. Ace right there. Aries, TT, me and Chino. That's about it. That's about everyone that's basically here.
Y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna go sleep, right?
So we're gonna watch a movie. Look what TT did. She like set it up for us. That's so cute. Oh, I see it.
You have to squint a little.
No, I see it. It's so cute. Bruh. What y'all think we're gonna do out here? Y'all both looked up at the same time y'all both went. Y'all freaky as hell, man. But we cleaned up everything. These are just games and stuff. We wiped everything down. Looks good. Threw everything in the trash, so we gotta worry about it in the morning. Babe's washing the dishes. Love you so much. Happy engagement. I guess if that's what you would say, right?
Yeah.
Need some help?
No. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be washing it.
It's probably best to just at least get them out the way. But yeah. Yep. I just want to say thank you to everyone that took the time out of their day to come and celebrate our love, and even y'all watching this video, thank you so much. Y'all really saw us from the very beginning, even to this point, like engaged, like that is soon to be married, like here we are in our room. I'm just so grateful, man. This bed's so hard. Rock hard bed. But I love y'all. Thank you so much for all the happy engagement comments and everything, and everyone that tuned into every I don't know, either video or stream or some way trying to keep up with us. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys more than you even know. I appreciate you guys more than you even know. I don't know, my voice gets like this. You guys know that at night. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my god. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, girl you cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 게 chill day. 꿈에도 I wasn't done. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.